Gwobr Cylch TFE. A'r enillydd yw Cylch TFE Llwyn Celyn.
Fe nath fi a fy ffrind Hayley sydd yn fam hefyd cymryd y peth drosodd tua blwyddyn a hanner yn ôl. Nath y mudiad meithrin rhoi grant hael iawn i ni, ond fe nath cwmni Wales and West hefyd rhoi grant hael iawn i ni hefyd. Fe nathon ni prynu lot o teganau a adnoddau, lot o bethau da i rhoi yn y cylch.
We were quite low on numbers at the time when we took over, so we've made a real big effort to encourage new parents to come. Did a bit of advertising on Facebook, social media, trying to spread word of mouth.
So we've been coming to TFE Llwyn Celyn for about 2 years now with our 2 children, and it's a really nice activity to come and do with them. I'm trying to learn Welsh. It's very easy to come to this session and learn a bit of Welsh.
It's really helped me become more confident with my Welsh because I'm a Welsh learner. It's really helped me have confidence to speak particularly to my children in Welsh, which is important because they'll be going to a Welsh school.
They're really welcoming. They talk to everyone. She's very, I don't know, they're just really nice people in general.
Yn sto bach ni wedi tyfu, mae'r niferoedd wedi tyfu dros yr amser.
Llongyfarchiadau i Gylch TFE Llwyn Celyn.